two old Liquidators driving. Right behind him looks like Mr. Paul Brynoff, driving a Ford Explorer. All you Vanderbilt, you like Mr. Brynoff there or what? Is that all you got? 10.5 legs, that's it. Mr. Paul Brynoff, car number 302. Car number 57, Mr. Matt Riley, driving 35 years at this demolition derby. So that would make him about 106. Car number 26, we don't know who that is. Is that the sweet man? He has no duck on the roof. Still got a duck on there, but it ain't a blow-up duck. Car number 2, the duck man with Sean Fitzpatrick. Where's the blow-up duck? Come on. Just make you without the duck. Car number 46, Mr. Lamer. What Lamer is it? John or Rich? Ralph? John Lamer. Good to see you, buddy. Good luck. Car number 21C, Tyler Razapik, out of Springtown in that 4-Ranger van. Running a 383 Magnum with a cross-brand intake on it. Car number 87, Justin Flanagan out of Asheville, and a Chevrolet Cobalt, 396 power. Car number 620, Zachary Blackstone out of Harbor City, and 90 Crown Victoria. 460 motor running on about 3 of them. Okay, we need help counting down again, you guys. We need to get our flagman in place. Hopefully this heat's as good as that last full-size car heat. That was excellent. Okay, it looks like we're ready to do it. 10, 9. Get it on, boys! Got 2 green, okay, let's get it on, boys. Okay, looks like we're ready to get it on. Let's do it. Hold on, 35. Here it comes. We're ready to do it. Let's go. You okay, buddy? All right, buddy. You okay? He's all right. He says he's okay. I thought he broke his arm. You all right? Want to get out? Good. Okay, you good? You good? Okay, let's get it. Okay, let's do it this time. Got the top banner and Mr. Labor to go out of here head to head tonight. Hopefully we get what's going on here. Step right into the full track. Hit with me. Okay, Mr. Labor, your turn. No training. All you got forward, we're in rewind. There you go. He's done anyway. That's all she